project, go to costumes, choose a costume, upload costume, and I'm just going to upload these two death effects. So death effect 1 is just a green square, and death effect 2 is just a circle, a little bigger. Now go to my blocks, make a new block called death, and press run without screen refresh. And over here where it says if death is equal to state, drag out broadcast, new message, death, and I'm going to drag out the block called death, wait 3 seconds, and then broadcast setup and wait. In the death effect, I'm going to switch costume to death effect 2, hide before this, create clone of myself, and repeat 50, switch, create clone of myself, and switch costume to death effect 1. Now we need to make sure that we are controlling the clones we create. So when I restart as a clone, show if else, and we want to make sure the costume is equal to death effect 1. If costume name is equal to death effect 1, repeat until, and here I'm just going to drag out, move 10 steps, and change ghost effect by 5. Then after this, delete this clone. And we want to make sure that we delete this, that we have something to put in repeat until, or else the clone will stay out there forever. So just make a new variable for this sprite only called particle speed, and press OK. And I'm just going to hide this and go to operators, drag out the less than block, and we want to make sure particle speed, we want to repeat until particle speed is less than 0, change particle speed, there it is, by -1, and then right here where it says move 10 steps, drag out move particle speed steps. Now I'm just going to go down, right click on this and press duplicate, and I'm going to change this to if costume name is equal to death effect 2, set ghost effect to 50, and I'm just going to drag this out, repeat 30, change ghost effect by 5, and then delete this clone. So I'm just going to go to the define reset block, and right here where it says set state to play, I'm just gonna type in dead so we can see how our death looks. That came out wrong. Okay, press the green flag, and you can see there's a little effect when we play. Go to variables, and over here where it says inside of repeat 50, set particle speed to pick random from 10 to 20, and then point in direction, pick random from 0 to 360, and now you can see we have a cool effect. So that's it for this tutorial. In the next one, we're going to let the player jump around and start touching enemies, and we're going to be able to make blocks. So make sure to subscribe for the next tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.